Okay, folks, I'm now ready to do my last video from 12.5, which I will call 12.5E, and it is how do I find a value if I know the area? And so this is like we're going to work this in reverse. So here I'm going to know the area. So for instance, um, the school that I was referring to, um, the school offers scholarships to the top 2% of all applicants. So they automatically, if you are in the top 2% based on your SAT score, you're going to be offered a scholarship. So that's only 2 out of every 100. That's not very many, but gosh, you're really hoping to get one. And you wonder what your SAT score has to be one. So the steps are going to be similar, but now we're doing a little bit in reverse. So the step one is still draw a picture. Only now the picture is going to look a little different. Still going to be a nice normal curve. This is still 280. This is the line, and this area over here is 0.02. 0.02% of the population will be offered a scholarship. And so, likewise, these folks over here will not be offered a scholarship. All right, I mean, they might be offered one for another reason, but they aren't going to be offered one based on their SAT score. And so, can you see that that area is 1 minus 0.02? And so that area is 0.98. So we use our picture, and so step 2, find the area below the line. And so I did that. In this case, it was 0.98. And step 3 will be go to the z value, the z table, and find the z value associated with that area. And I'm going to have to go to the next page for this. So there's a little arrow there. And so now this is where I need to go slow for you so you see what I'm doing. All right, so now z is not 0.98. The area is 0.98. So here I have to look at the body of the table and find the area that's closest to 0.98. And it's actually right here, 0.9798 is as close to 0.98 as I can get. If you use the 0.9803, you'd have been fine. That would have been pretty good. But it's actually closer to 0.9798 than 0.9803. In either case, that's a z value of 2.0. Whoa, let me follow my finger up here. 5. So that's an area of 2.05. Sorry, z value 2.05. So z associated, whoa, let me move that back up so you can see it. A z associated with an area of 0.98 is 2.05. Now I know the z value, so I'm going to go to that formula. So step 3, calculate the value. So I'm going to do that by going x minus mu over sigma is equal to z. Well, z I already know is 2.05. I don't know x. I do know mu is 280. And I do know the standard deviation is 58. So this is where just a little bit of algebra comes into the course. I now have to multiply both sides by 58. I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to multiply both sides by 58. So I'm going to take 2.05. And I'm going to multiply it by 58. Basically, let me show you that. Maybe using another color here so you maybe can see it better when it comes through. And so I multiply both sides by 58, and that gives me x minus 280 is equal to 118.9. Now add 280 to both sides, and so I'm going to add 280, and I get X is equal to 398.9, or approximately 400 points is needed to automatically get a scholarship. And that is the end of chapter 12. They do a few more things that with the bell shape or with the grading on the curve that you can follow some other videos on. I'll post some, I hope, but I wouldn't worry about those. That won't be on your exam.